Today, we review the best 5 tackle box that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Flambeau Outdoors 6383 Classic 3-Tray Tackle Box. Stylish, spacious, and functional, the Flambeau Outdoors 6383 Tackle Box is a great choice for a fishing day trip. The strong red and gray plastic tackle box has a generous amount of storage space that you can customize to suit your fishing lifestyle.
Number 2.
Wakeman Fishing Tackle Box Tackle Kit. The Wakeman Tackle Box Tackle Kit is a fantastic way to introduce your child to the wonderful world of fishing. Perfect for little anglers, the solid plastic tackle box offers you very good storage flexibility. For easy organization, the box features a lid with a spacious built-in storage compartment for quick access to essential fishing gear.
Number 3.
Plano 777101 Guide Series Tackle System. Fishing enthusiasts and professional anglers will benefit from the amazing Plano 777101 Guide Series Tackle System Tackle Box. Made in the USA, the heavy-duty plastic tackle box has sturdy and strong latches, which is ideal for fishing in tough outdoor conditions.
Number 4.
Plano 7603 Flip Sider 3-Tray Tackle Box. If you are a fishing enthusiast, Plano 7603 Flip Sider Tackle Box will keep your fishing essentials safe and secure. Built strong from premium quality components and tested for durability, the burnt orange and silver plastic tackle box is ready for any fishing expedition.
Number 5.
Plano 2-Tray Tackle Box. If your kids are eager to reel in their next big catch, the Plano 2-Tray Tackle Box is perfect for your anglers. Made in the USA, the sturdy plastic tackle box has 2 cantilever trays that extend open to showcase the contents for quick and easy access.